G'day everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one, we're going to be looking at and installing the Mishimoto trunk brace. There's the trunk brace all unpacked. Now everything, including this hardware here, comes in bubble wrap and the Mishimoto plastic bag. This foam is super solid and super sturdy, and so is the cardboard as well, so your parts should come undamaged. This hardware right here, the brackets screw into the little holes just there to the left of push the limits, and that is if your model has a false floor. Now if you have an adjustable false floor such as the US model, this will help brace the very back of that false floor. My car being a Euro car just has carpet, so I won't need to use this hardware today. Tools to use: T50 Torx bit and just a socket. And I rate this job 1 socket out of 5 because it's literally 2 bolts. How hard can it be? First step will be to remove this floor. If you have a US spec, you'll have 2 brackets either side, 2 plastic mounts for your false floor, and they're an 8mm bolt. But I can skip through that and just take that out. These are the bolts that we are going to reuse, but we need to remove them first. They're a T50 and it's the very end one there. Leave the middle one and the very end one there. So let's get it done. Fitting this brace really is as easy as lining up the hole for the bolt in with that hole there, and I'll try and stay out of the light, like that, on both sides, and screwing it down. So let's get to screwing it down. It really is that easy. That's installation complete. 1 bolt, 2 bolts, job done. What I'll do is I'll fit this hardware anyway, just to show you what it looks like if you're watching from America, but I won't be keeping it there. And there it is. It really is as easy as it looks. You just line that up and you use the little circular part to grip it and screw it in, and that will hold up your false floor. Last step is to refit your boot floor. Now, because we don't have the false floor, that does sit on top of the brace, and because there's a big bit of wood under here, it is on a bit of an angle now. Make sure you get your carpet flaps underneath the seats but on top of the brace, and it'll fall in nicely. Job done. Mishimoto trunk brace install is nice and easy. It's 2 bolts. Mishimoto say that they've done a lot of testing with this, and the increased rigidity helps your handling, stopping and acceleration. So I've already got a rear sway bar from Whiteline, which made a massive difference to how the car feels and handles. So I'll be interested to get this on track and just see if I can feel any more difference with a bit more stiffness in the rear end. Cheers for watching, guys. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe. You can get involved in my hobby with me. See you guys.